So I'm going to show you how to create event. So what I mean by event, you have intersport, examination. So whatever you put on your school calendar, you can create it on BlueBic. Once it's done, every user of the platform will be able to see it on their profile. So to create an event, you click event, which is on the left of your screen at the bottom. You click event, it's going to display the event page where it shows you all this calendar. So all the events that have been created will display on the appropriate dates. You can change the view. If you want it to display more as a list, you can change it to display more as a list. If you want it to display monthly, it can show you as a monthly calendar, weekly, and daily as well. So no matter the option you pick, you can always move the days or change the year. So whatever option you pick. So to create an event is very simple. All you need to do is you click add event, you enter the name of the event. So I'm going to say training online training. Then you select the start time. So I'm going to say April 3rd. The default time is 12 a.m., but you can change the time. So I'm going to say let me say 6 8 a.m. Then you click outside. If the event is meant for a whole day, you leave the all day checked. But if it's more than a day, you can uncheck it and you're going to see another field to enter the end time. So you can pick the day. So I'm going to say April 3rd to 7th, and the time is 4 p.m. So once I click outside, it's going to stay there. If the event is a holiday, you check that's a holiday. This means that for the attendance register, this date is going to be excluded across all classes. This is very important for events like meet and break and so on. So you need to ensure that they are holidays. For this option is common means does it apply to everyone in the school? So the default is yes, but if it doesn't, you can change it to no. And since this is a training, I can say it applies to the administrative staff only and leave it at that. So once I'm done with that, I can add a description if I want. So I can say training on how to use BlueBic. If you're done with that, you can click save. You can see the event is created. Let's say you made a mistake, you can quickly click the edit and change whatever you want and click save in. If you want to delete the event, you can click the delete. It's going to ask you if you're sure. I don't want to delete now, but if you're sure, you can click OK and it's going to delete. So to go back to the event list and the event page, you click event and you're going to see that this event is on the calendar and it's showing from 3rd till 7th because that's the date we chose. So if you wanted to edit this event again, you can simply click it and it's going to show this page where you can then edit as well. So that's how you create an event. As an admin, you have the add event button, but if you're a teacher, all you can see is the events that have been created and very easy to use. You can create all the events you need for your calendar and make it accessible to all users. Thank you very much and let us know if you have further questions.